I am Will Patrick. I am a wedding photographer. Being a wedding photographer gives you an inside look at the lives of so many different people. It's a really amazing job to have. I feel very lucky doing what I do. There's just something about slow motion. It can really heighten emotion. It can show you detail that you otherwise might have missed. And I find that oftentimes some of the stuff that I see back in slow motion is way more emotionally powerful than I thought it would be. I really love that. Shooting a dance floor in slow motion is really, really powerful. The D850 in slow motion shoots a maximum of 120 frames per second, which is way more than you ordinarily would get on a DSLR. That just gives you so many more options. It's really challenged me to think about how I approach wedding photography creatively. I need to start thinking about, well, how am I going to step up my game?